Hi coders! This short video is about continuous statement in Java. Continuous statement is used when you need to jump to the next iteration of the loop immediately, or if you want to skip a certain condition. Here is the syntax: jump statement and continue. Let's see the example. So here is a simple program that displays every x value and every y value. So we put it under nested for loop. So when x is 1, it will be displayed along with the y display here. So we put it inside the nested loop. Let's see the result to make it clearer. So here is the program output. So in the first loop here, our x is 1 and then our y is 1 and then display it here 1 and 1. And then we go back to the inner loop and then we read the next y. So it become 1 and 2, and then again go back to the inner loop, then it become 1 and 3, and so on. Once it's done, we quit from the inner loop and then we go back to the outer loop. Our outer loop now, the x is 2, so we display here loop 2. When our x is 2, then our y will be 1 and then it will be displayed here. And then again go back to the inner loop. Our y now is 2 and then display here. It continue like that until it's done. Now, to see the use of continuous statement, we want to modify the program so that it only display the value that is different. When the value is 1 and 1, we don't want to display 2 and 2. We don't want to display the same with 3 and 3, 4 and 4, and 5 and 5. So we will just delete here and then we will give condition like that. So I put the continue inside the condition. We don't want to display if the value x equal to y. So it will only to display the rest. So we place the continue here. So every time the x equal to y, it will be skip, continue to the next y, and so on. Now let's see the program. Here is the result. So here is the explanation. At first our x is 1 and then enter the loop and then our y is 1. Since 1 and 1 is the same, so it fulfill the condition, this will be skipped. Continue to the next y. Our y now is 2. It doesn't fulfill this condition, then this will be run. So it will display 1 with 2. Go back to the inner loop. Again, this doesn't fulfill because 1 and 3, 1 and 1 is not equal to 3. So this will be skipped, this will be execute. Display 1 and 3. Go back to the inner loop, display 1 and 4. Go back to the inner loop, display 1 and 5. Once it's done from the inner loop, then go back to the outer loop. We read the next x, which is 2. That's why when we enter the loop here, we display loop 2 here, loop 2. And then we read the next y, and so on and so forth.
If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.